Hey, what's up guys, I'm Vinnie Hobbs from vhpost.tv, and today I'll be showing you a few tips and tricks that I use in Adobe Premiere that will help you edit faster and more efficient. Today I'm going to focus on the audio effects inside Adobe Premiere to show you how to creatively enhance your overall sound editing. There's a wide range of powerful audio effects that you can explore in the Effects tab to experiment with. I find myself using the reverb effects the most, as they can alter the sound to match the visual environment you're editing to. To apply, simply drag and drop the audio effect onto the audio clip, and customize from there in the Effect Controls tab. You can also apply a master audio effect by selecting the Audio Track Mixer window and selecting an audio effect for an entire layer. This makes it so whatever clips I drag to my desired layer will be affected by the chosen audio effect. There are a lot of powerful audio tools you can use inside Adobe Premiere to enhance all of your audio for the right project. Again, I'm Vinnie Hobbs. See you on the next one.